Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see installation guide of Machine Expert Basic version 1.2. Okay, so Machine Expert Basic is a software by Schneider Electric. You can go to this website and you can download EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic version 1.2 Service Pack 1, and this software is used to program this controller Modicon M221, Modicon Easy M100, M200. Okay, so you can download Machine Expert Basic version 1.2 from this download button. Just click on this button and your download will start. Okay, I have already downloaded here and I have extracted in this folder. Now we will see installation guide of Machine Expert Basic version 1.2. So we will double click on this to start the installation. Okay, so here you have to choose the language. So in which language you want to install the Machine Expert Basic. So I'm going to choose the English language and then I'll press OK here. Okay, now we have to press next here. We have to accept the license agreement and then again we have to press next here. Okay, so you can see first name, last name and the company name. So it is all set. Now we have to press next here. If you want to read this information, then you can read, otherwise just press next and you can see destination folder. So in which folder you want to install the Machine Expert Basic. If you want to change the location, then you can change by clicking on browse, otherwise leave it as it is and just press next here. Okay, now select additional task. So which additional task you want to add with this installation. So I'm going to leave it as it is and just I'll press next here and then I'll press install to start my installation. So until our installation gets completed, we need to wait. Okay, so as you can see here, completing the EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic setup wizard. So you can see on my desktop, Machine Expert Basic is installed successfully. Now we need to click finish to exit the setup, but we don't want to launch the Machine Expert Basic. So I'm going to uncheck this and I'm going to press finish. Okay, so our setup is finished and our software is installed successfully in my system. So you can see here EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic. So this is how you can download EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic version 1.2 Service Pack 1 from the Schneider website, and after that you can follow our video for the installation guide. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.